Hey everybody, Theme Park Mikey here, asking you if you could please like this video if you like it, dislike it if you dislike it, comment down below if you like it, if you don't like it, what I should work on, what's good so far, if you like my mask, if you like my haircut, whatever. And yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed. 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. It's very weird. But as a super small time YouTuber, I am asking, if you can, pretty please, subscribe, like, comment, because it really does help me out. I'm not gonna do this all the time, I promise. It'll just be this once, and then maybe a month from now I'll ask again. Back to our regular scheduled programming. So today we're at Disney's Art of Animation Resort, staying at one of the Little Mermaid rooms. This is my view out my window and out my door. Disney Skyliner, the little lake or lagoon, and Pop Century. All right, room 8822. And just like that, we are inside the room. So this is actually a king room. I've never actually stayed in a king room for any Disney resort. So this is the first one that I've actually stayed in with just one bed. It's really nice. There is tons of room for activities. Okay, going from the door to our right, we actually have some nice little theming. I do like that about a lot of the value resorts. The value resorts tend to have more theming than moderate and deluxe. It's very odd. The less you pay, the more theming you get. But yeah, the seashell chairs. And then we got all the fish and seashells right here. Hi. I'm going to Disney's Hollywood Studios later, so I'm wearing a Darth Vader spirit jersey. And then on the table, the music for Under the Sea. I thought that was pretty cool. Real quick, right here is something called enhanced cleaning for the Walt Disney World Resort hotels. Here you can see each little pinpoint where they go in and they clean, and they even wrap certain items to make sure you know they are. Something to do with this room, a lot of other rooms now, especially the ones that they're redoing, like Pop Century they redid, Disney's All-Star Movies Resort rooms, it's not carpet anymore. It used to be carpet for all these rooms. I specifically remember staying at Pop Century and it being a carpet floor, and it just looked like, it was gross. That's all I'll say, it was just gross. But yeah, the floors here are very nice. They're easy to clean, I'm sure. And I just like it a lot better. It's so much better. All right, so these TVs, I believe this is a 55-inch Samsung TV. Could be 4K. Oddly enough, though, when you go behind it, it's not plugged in with an HDMI cord. It's plugged in with just a normal cable. So, like, the resolution's kind of weird, and some of the cartoons are choppy. It's really strange. But got the classic Walt Disney World channel going on, park hours, everything like that, weather, what time it is. Just below that, we got our little ice bucket. A couple cups for ice and water. A bunch of masks, of course. Those were not provided, those are mine. And then we got some electrical outlets. I do love the little USB things because then when I'm packing for a trip, I don't have to remember every single little block to actually plug in. I can just bring the cord I need and use it. There's one here, one here. This is more than enough outlets for 2 people since this is a king bedroom. And right now, of course, because of cleaning and because of COVID, your remote will have plastic all around it and it'll say clean on it. If it doesn't, call the front desk, ask them to bring your remote that has been cleaned, or if they can come up and clean it for you, just because it's supposed to come like that. Then we got our Cuisinart right here. Make 2 cups of coffee. This is one of my favorites because it's so quick. but they provide you with the coffee. They provide you with creamer. This one's the decaf one, but there are these little packets inside. You literally take out the packet, open the tray, put the packet on top, fill the back with water, and you just turn it on and it starts brewing. It's really fast, it's easy. I believe they also have tea. Yeah, they have green tea, Earl Grey. These are the normal artisan roasted coffee. Yeah, got a couple coffee cups back there, a couple packets of sugar and sweet and low, all in this nice little tray. I do love that because a lot of people, when they're leaving in the morning to catch a bus, get to the parks, they feel like they're being rushed and they don't want to stop off, get coffee at the quick serve or Starbucks when they get to the park. They just want a cup of coffee in the morning when they wake up while they're getting ready. The coffee you get in these little packets, it's actually pretty good. I know it's gonna look weird. It's Joffrey's. Joffrey's is in the park. Joffrey's and Starbucks are the ones that are in the park. But yeah, you still have your packets of sugar, packets of sweet and low. You got your creamer and everything like that. So it's actually a pretty good cup of coffee. It's really not that bad. I've had it a couple times before here, Pop Century. It's a nice hot cup of coffee, get you going for your day. If your thing is more iced coffee, then of course, this may not be for you, but I think it's great because it comes with your room. It's not like a mini bar, it doesn't cost extra. Okay, last but not least, we got our drawers for our clothings. I already put clothes in these three right here, but here's an empty one. Decent amount of room, it goes pretty deep. And then they kind of fake you out because the right side is for the mini fridge. It's not actually any drawers. Looks like there's 3 drawers, but there are not. And it's a normal mini fridge. Spot for your cans, spot for your leftovers and anything else you want to store in there. But my favorite part is that it's a fake out. To the other side of the room, we got Flounder, Sebastian, a couple little tiny seahorses just above the king size bed. King size bed, they gave me 5 pillows, which is obviously not enough. It's enough, it's more than enough. But with the other rooms where there are 2 beds, I don't know if they've switched them to queen beds yet, but I think they were supposed to. They both have this backing on it, this headboard. So it's just one for me while I'm here. And then of course, we've got some nightstands. Tons of phone numbers to call for recreation, dining options, front desk. But then we got more chargers right here. Same as the ones that are just below the TV. Just on the other side of the bed, we got Prince Eric. Nice piece of framed artwork. Now it is crooked, but I think it's supposed to be crooked. I don't know why I had an inflection at the end of that. It's supposed to be crooked? I don't know. But yeah, other nightstand on this side. It's pretty simple. Then we got our coat rack. So this one does have a door to the other room right next to me, but obviously I'm not sharing a room with anybody, so I'm not opening that. But I just like the cute little coat rack. Last but not least, we got the bathroom. So there's a nice little shade that you can pull across. This is just a king bed room, so don't really need it because it's just me. But if you are in a room that has 2 beds, 4 people, this comes in handy. Let's go in. All right, so first up is the normal bathroom stuff / closet, exposed closet, whatever. Ironing board, iron, safe, built right into the wall, extra pillow and blanket, towels, my backpack and a belt. That doesn't come with the room, but that's my stuff. I got a couple Spirit jerseys right here for the parks, Vader, Haunted Mansion and a hoodie. And yeah, I do like the cute theming. The seashells that are lights, and then almost like coral around on the mirror. And we got the normal setup. One sink, we got tissues, my stuff, towels, bar of soap that I've already used because I've been here for a couple hours. We got the little vanity mirror. I think it has like a little ring light. Let me try this. Yeah. This guy's not a like fake ring light. If anybody knows what a real one is. All right. And then we have the actual bathroom. So one thing I do love is the tiles they put. It's so cool. I really like it a lot. And then since this is a value, and I think they're doing this at almost every resort right now, they got the H2O Plus, they got their body wash, conditioner, shampoo. I don't know why, but I love the smell of the shampoo. And they have these for sale, by the way. If you're ever visiting any Disney resort, they have all of these for sale in the resort gift shop. Every hotel. Let's go back, and now we're gonna do the curtain. Okay, there is the curtain with Ariel on it. Looks pretty cool. I should have said, look at this thing, isn't it neat? Ah, missed opportunity. And then when I started the day, when I got here, we had 4 towels, but I've already used the shower. 3 towels here, extra toilet paper, toilet that is super loud, and when you flush it, it sounds like a jet taking off, but that's not weird at all. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And there's another mirror right here. Got my little Grogu beanie on. That looks like it's it for this room tour. Don't mind me. Just enjoying the Skyliner view one more time. By the way, this little blue thing on the left, that is the seahorse? Yeah, it's a seahorse, that's right. Bye, Disney's Art of Animation. Oh, I'll see you again soon. Don't you worry. That's gonna do it for this room tour. Let me know if you want me to do more of these. If you wanna just send me money to do more of these. I'm just kidding. When I have the opportunity to do these, I will. It doesn't come along very often. I've only ever done one other one, actually, yeah. So this is only the second one in the last 5 months. So possibly doing one at Universal in the next couple months if they lower their prices enough for something like Dockside over at Universal. But other than that, that's it for the room tour. Thank you so much for watching.